Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be tracking Tropical Storm Elsa again. Currently, right here, this is 100% chance of Tropical Storm force winds, which is in this purple, and the 50-knot wind speed possibilities. Florida is gonna be in these yellows. See, they have a little bit of yellow up here, some yellows here. So Florida's gonna get a 40 to 50% chance of 50-knot winds. And also, Florida's expecting hurricane force winds. So this is the hurricane force wind speed possibilities for the and also Florida has a 10% chance of hurricane force winds. This is the current arrival time winds. So a storm made landfall in Key West last night. And then Friday, it's going to make landfall in Nova Scotia. Friday, 8 a.m. It's going to make landfall in Maine or something. And also, this is the most likely arrival time, tropical storm force winds. And this is the peak surge. So Cedar Key and Clearwater is going to get 3 to 5 feet of storm surge. And this is the flash flooding potential. Florida, a 20% moderate flooding. And Georgia and North Carolina is in the 20% moderate. This is the U.S. rainfall potential. Florida, 4 inches. Some parts of Georgia in this yellow, and North Carolina is going to get 4 inches of rain. Parts of Louisiana, around 1 inch. This is the current wind history. That's some tropical storm force winds on Key West. And I'm going to show you the current wind speed for Cedar Key and Clearwater and Tampa for tonight. Okay guys, currently in Cedar Key, Florida, it's 82 degrees and it feels like 89 and it's partly cloudy. In Cedar Key, Florida is under a tropical storm warning. Storm surge warning remains in effect. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. Hurricane watch remains in effect. Location something Cedar Key, Yankeestown, and Cedar Key. And also, these are the current wind speeds. Right now, Cedar Key has 11 mile an hour winds. Cedar Key, Florida says 6 a.m., 30 mile an hour winds. And tomorrow, Cedar Key, Florida is going to get 32 mile an hour winds at 8 or 9 a.m. Here it shows 34 mile an hour wind. And also, in Clearwater, Florida. Wait. Guys, I'm gonna have to go on Google to search it up. Just wait. Okay, guys, currently in Clearwater, Florida, it's 86 degrees, feels like 94, and it's mostly sunny. And these are all the rain bands that are starting to come in. And even 100% chance rain. Clearwater, Florida. Clearwater, Florida says tropical storm warning, storm surge, and the same thing. Clearwater, Florida is going to get 1.7 inches of rain. And Clearwater, Florida is going to get 41-mile-an-hour winds at 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. 39 tropical storm force. Let's go search the weather for Tampa. So Tampa, Florida is going to get 36-mile-an-hour winds at 2:34 a.m. 36-mile-an-hour winds. Those are quite powerful winds. Tampa's going to get 2 inches of rain today and 0.6 inches of rain tomorrow. Let's go on windy.com and find out the winds and wind gust. Okay, currently we're on windy.com, and this is where the storm is at. As we move to 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, storm has winds around 50. As we go to tomorrow morning in Florida, it says the storm's gonna gain up to 64-mile-an-hour winds. And the wind gust is pretty crazy. Like, look at a wind gust, 104-mile-an-hour wind gust. And look, as the storm slams on the Florida coast, the storm rapidly strengthens to 116-mile-an-hour winds or wind gust. And Cedar Key is going to get 97-mile-an-hour wind gusts. The storm's going to have hurricane force wind gusts slamming to the Florida coast. And the Florida coast might get storm surge up to 10 feet or greater. And it just slams into the Florida coast and then strengthens on land. Then strengthens rapidly up here and then impacts Maine. After that, the storm gets really big here. After that, the storm is right here. And also, this is currently Tropical Storm Elsa, and Tropical Storm Elsa hits Greenland and impacts Greenland and stays there for a while. Then Tropical Storm Elsa kind of gets destroyed. Tropical Storm Elsa goes towards Iceland and then dies. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye and peace out.
You okay, Mama?